The US dollar is soaring after the final Fed decision of 2016. We're seeing massive moves higher for the US currency. The Federal Reserve hiked US interest rates by 25 basis points. The central bank signaled more hikes would follow at a faster pace next year. We got more hawkish than expected comments. Now 3 hikes are projected for 2017. Moving on to U.S. economic data, it is heavy on the calendar. Headline CPI rose 0.2% last month. Government data showed that rising rents and higher gas prices drove inflation higher in the U.S. And separately, weekly jobless claims declined by 4,000 to 254,000. In upbeat regional data, the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index in December jumped to a reading of 21.5, which is the highest in 2 years. And the New York Empire State Index rose to a reading of 9 from 1.5 in November. Moving on to this morning's FX moves, euro-dollar is off 1%, trading hands at 1.0425. The British pound against the US currency is off minus 0.7% at 1.2474, while dollar-yen is soaring by 0.6%, trading hands at 117.79. The pair in focus this morning is the Australian currency against the US dollar. Now the trend is bearish and the pair is capped by its declining 50-day moving average. Trading central analysts prefer short positions below 0.7430 with down targets at 0.7365 and 0.7355 in extension. In the precious metals markets, we are seeing bearish trading for gold and silver. Gold is in the spotlight this morning and is off by 3% in New York morning trade. It is trading lower on the downside below the declining 50-day moving average, and trading central analysts prefer short positions below 1144 with down targets at 1130 and 1125 in extension. Silver futures are off nearly 7% this morning, trading hands at $16.05 per troy ounce. And that does wrap it up for this morning. I'm Marie Blair reporting for the New York Stock Exchange. Make sure to follow us on Twitter at Trading Central. Thanks for watching.